Making a ladder. Hey kids! Tom's kite is hanging on the roof. Let's make a ladder to help Tom to get his kite. Paste sticks to make the ladder. Color the picture with crayons. Now the ladder is ready for him to climb.